Hello students, myself Dr. Jyoti Shegokar. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel which is named as a Dr. Jyoti Dhumale Shegokar, which is made for the study of engineering chemistry. Now in this and another today's topic is corrosion, in which we are going to see the mechanism of wet corrosion. We have seen already the classification of corrosion. In this classification of corrosion there are two types, dry corrosion and wet corrosion. We have already seen types of dry and wet corrosion. We have already seen mechanism of dry corrosion. Now today we have to see mechanism of wet corrosion, which is possible by two different ways. Now there are two different ways, just I said. One way is by removal of hydrogen. By removal of hydrogen. So wet corrosion is carried out by removal of hydrogen. So whenever the wet corrosion is carried out by removal of hydrogen, it is occurred in the acidic media. This is an important term. So it is due to that, if it is in acidic media, it must have more H positive ion concentration because of it is in acid media. So for that we will see here a diagrammatic representation. Here there is a system which can be considered as a carrying out the mechanism of wet corrosion. In this large metal sheet is there on which this small block of metal is placed. A large metal sheet on which at the central portion a small block of metal is placed. Now those large metal sheet, here on this metal sheet it will act as an anode. Whenever the condition is acidic from the upper side, here there is a metal strip. Both are made by the similar or the different types. So here if it is made by Fe or Zn, so what type of reaction is possible here? Just we will see here. This Fe will give Fe dipositive ions with the removal of 2 electrons. So it is the process of oxidation which is there always. So here oxidation is occurring by the removal of hydrogen, as because there is a acidic media provided, and here condition it is already told. Now what will happen? See here, this anode which is said, which is a metal sheet. On this metal sheet the process of oxidation occurs, and through this metal sheet whenever these electrons are formed, these electrons are passed to the another metal. Now due to which there is a flowing of, we can say that electric current, due to which corrosion is there. Now those electrons which are passed to this metal, so first of all this can be seen like this, the traveling of electron from this anode to cathode. So it can be shown like this. So these electrons are passed towards this cathode. Here the electrons can be written. So when these electrons which are already produced on this particularly large metal sheet are traveled or are carried towards this cathode, and through this cathode if there is a particularly media which is given, that is accepted, means electrons are accepted. So these 2 electrons are accepted by this H positive ion, as because it is acidic in nature. So these 2 H positive ions will be required, and in this way at last we can get here H2 gas. So that H2 gas will be evolved. So whenever any metal which is in contact with another small metal is in contact with acid media, at that time possibility of corrosion, which is due to the removal of hydrogen due to presence of acid medium. So on this particular type there can be asked question like this, that how will you carry out the, or how the mechanism of electrochemical corrosion or mechanism of wet corrosion is occurred in the acidic media. So in this you will have to just draw the diagram, label it properly, and all explain its total condition, that how it will occur. Okay, or it can ask in another way, that how the mechanism of electrochemical corrosion is occurred by the removal of hydrogen. So both are one and the same question, but answer is same. Both questions are there though. Now in this way mechanism of wet corrosion or electrochemical corrosion is occurred. Thank you.